Okay, so welcome. Thank you for being here in a group again. Just let's get the introductions out of the way. I know that we are already met in our first counseling session, but just to go over our names and so that we're all familiar with each other. My name is Haydee. I'll be your guidance counselor today for our group session.
Marco, Christopher,
Andrew,
Julia.
Okay, thank you for being here with us today. Just want to go over a little ground rules and just to get those out of the way as well. Remember, anything we share within our group stays within our group, and we keep everything we say confidentially. So this is our safe place. We could talk about anything we want here. Of course, if there's anything that I feel that you're putting yourself into harm's way, or you're sharing with us something that you're going to harm someone else, as well as somebody is harming you, I'm a mandated reporter, so I have to report that. All right. So let's start up our session with a little exercise. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to close your eyes and keep them closed until you think it's 30 seconds. Once you think it's 30 seconds, then you open your eyes, and then we'll discuss about the exercise. I'm going to set the timer on my phone, and then that way you guys can, I'll let you know when you open your eyes and what you think about it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ready? Go. You guys almost opened them all at the same time. Almost right at 30 seconds. It was like 27 seconds.
Wait, did I get 28?
Or 27.
I got 27.
Marco, I think you were the last one. You were almost right at 30.
What was
So
the
you're
outcome?
like 29.
1 second. What is that? You almost did it.
You almost did it.
Third time.
Okay, so what do you guys think? Did that seem long? Did that seem like
fast?
really
Like,
fast?
right when I closed my eyes, I opened my eye, I felt like it was like
You opened your eyes
10
right away.
seconds.
Yeah. So that just teaches us a little bit of how understanding time, or the concept of time. How long do we really spend time with certain things that we like to do versus some things that we don't like to do, but we have to do. For instance, let's say, how long do you spend time doing your homework?
About 30, 25-ish minutes.
Is that like straight homework with no interruptions, or
Yeah.
that's with maybe watching TV or having a snack?
That's just like a regular, not doing anything else besides my homework.
Besides your homework, what about you, Chris?
Probably like 40 minutes or an hour, because I like to stop and like take a rest or like get a snack or watch TV.
Okay. What about you, Andrew?
About 15, 20, 25 minutes, around that time. 15 to 25 minutes.
Straight with no interruptions?
Yeah.
Straight with no interruptions, okay.
Maybe an hour.
An hour, and that's just doing homework, right? Okay. So we see the various different times that we spend. And Christopher, you said that you like to watch TV. Now, let's say that we eliminate watching TV and eating the snack. How long do you think it would take you to do the homework without it?
Maybe 30 to 25 minutes.
So 25 minutes to 30? Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just, I mean, for me, I think that we spend more time doing the things we like to do versus the things we don't want to really do, but have to do, like our homework. Let's see, how long do you take when you're outside playing, like doing things you want to do?
Wait, can you repeat the question?
How long do you take to do things that you like to do? Like, what's the time frame that you do? Like, you're outside playing basketball. How long do you usually?
Maybe like an hour, maybe. Most
Most of
likely
the
an hour.
An hour
Yeah.
playing, doing things that you like to do.
Yeah.
Same, an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
What about you, Andrew?
Most of my day basically after school.
Well, not okay. So then it wouldn't be most of your day. So how long do you really take doing things that you want to do?
Well, sometimes 2 hours and sometimes 4 hours, depending on what day it is.
What day is because you have like what practices and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Julia?
Maybe an hour to an hour and a half. It depends on what I'm doing.
In your day? Okay. Yeah.
Maybe my son, or I think the whole day, and I'm basically doing everything I want the whole day.
Even homework?
Yeah.
You
I like
like
homework.
doing homework?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
All right, so, I mean, for me, I think the one thing that I don't like to do and I have to spend more time in is probably cleaning the house. So I don't, but I know I have to do that. Some things that I like to do that I probably spend the least time amount is maybe watch TV. I don't get a chance to really watch TV or
When do you get to watch TV?
I don't, because I spend most of my day running around, taking kids to sports and bringing them back and cooking and cleaning, and so I don't really get it. Yeah, it does.
Tell your kids that you have a really busy day.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want you to do is that I want you to look at your planner that you have, and I want you to go ahead and go on to Friday. Okay, so since today is Wednesday, I want you to go to Friday, and I want you to just write down everything you do, starting from when you wake up all the way until, let's do 6 o'clock, okay? What do you do from 6 in the morning to 6 in the afternoon?
Is it okay if we add like more things on our time, just in case we do?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So let's take, let's do that for about 2 minutes. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do that, and then come back and talk about them. Okay, so Andrew, you're done. So why don't you share with us?
Okay, so at 6 I wake up and get ready.
Uh-huh.
At 7 I mean breakfast. By 8 I'm at school. At 9 o'clock I'm in science. 10 I'm at ELA. At 11 I'm at PE. 12 at lunch. 1 at math. Then at 2 I'm at social studies, and then at 3 o'clock I get home and I do my homework, and then from 4 to 9 o'clock at night on a Friday I'm outside.
Okay, so that's a pretty chunk of your day
Yeah.
that you're outside. Okay. What about you, Julia?
At 6 I wake up, and then at 7 I usually start getting ready, or like I'm finished getting ready.
Mm-hmm.
At 8 I'm at school. At 9 I'm in Spanish. 10 I'm in history. 11 I'm in science, and then 12 we eat lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And then at 1 I'm in language arts, and then 2 I'm in PE. And then after school, when I get home around 3, I do any homework, and then around 4 I'm outside with friends or I'm somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
At 6, I'm usually waking up and starting to get ready, and then 7 I'll have breakfast, and then I'll wait till I'm about to leave,
Mm-hmm.
and then 8 I start to go to school. 9 I have class or homeroom, and then 10 I have recess, and then 11 I'm at math. 12 it's lunchtime. 1 I have like either social studies or sscience,
Mm-hmm.
and then 2 we start to pack up. And then 3, that's when I'm home and I start to do my homework. And 4 is when I go outside. And 5, I'm like still outside. And 6, that's when I start to go inside.
Oh, okay. What about you, Chris?
So I'm sleeping at 6, and then I wake up at 7. I get ready at like 7:30, and then I leave around like 8, 7:40, 7:50.
Okay.
And then I have homeroom at 9 and then at 10 because we're starting SBAC test. I would either have the
that's right,
SBAC
there's-
test this whole week,
Mhm.
or I would have to go to ELA. And after ELA, I would have recess, and then math, and then I would have, at 12 I would lunch and then recess, and then at 1 I would have social studies or science, and at 2 we would clean up and leave at 2:15, and I get home at like 3, 2:32 to like 40, and then at 3 I would start my homework. At 4 I would go outside, and then I'll stay outside, and then at 6 I would go outside till 8:30, and then come in for play for like 30 minutes of games. Because
Okay.
it's Friday.
Because it's Friday, you get to play games.
Yeah.
Okay, so we all heard what our schedules would be like throughout the day, and you said specific times. So what would happen if you didn't know what time it was throughout the day?
I kind of freak out. I feel like, man, when is it gonna be done already? And I kind of like to hurry up and get through school already so I can get home and relax and do homework and I can go outside. You know,
Okay.
I'd be like freaking out and like later I'd be like, I just run out the door and just be like, I'm out.
Okay, because you wouldn't know
Yeah.
what time it was. Okay, what about you?
I would feel rushed.
You would kind of feel rushed
Yeah.
through your assignments because you
Yeah.
feel like you wouldn't have enough time
Yeah.
to finish them.
I would feel rushed too, and I wouldn't know when I should finish and when I should like
Stop.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. What about you, Christopher?
Well, I would kind of feel rushed during school, but I would also like to take my time. But like when I'm at home and outside, like I'm not really caring what the time is. I just want to have fun.
Well, that's good, right? Yeah. Okay, so the whole point of our exercise today is just to have a concept of what time really means and how much time do we spend on each activity or lesson or homework, whatever event we might be having. So keeping aware of what we are doing and at what times is really important. And so we want to prioritize our time as well, right?
Right.
So next week, what I want us to do, and maybe I'm gonna give you guys an assignment just to take home. What I want you to do is schedule something on your calendar. You know how you notice on your packet I gave you the month of April. What I want you to do before we leave, and you guys could do it as I'm speaking, is just write an event, write something that you like to do, that you want to do from now until our next session, which is going to be the 27th of next week. And write it down and just put down right next to it how long you think it's going to be. And then also write another thing that what you don't want to do, but you have to do. And write how long that's going to take. And then we'll discuss it back when we come back on the 27th, okay? I'd just like to thank you guys all for being here with me today. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.